Dear friends, it's Mehmet Kara and this is my portfolio overview for February. In this month, my portfolio is 3.8% bigger than in January. And I have 3 positions which are the most profitable. On the first place, Bitcoin, then we have Ethereum, and last in this list is Mintos. Let's have a look. At the start, I want to show you my portfolio, how it looks at the end of February. Almost 33% is in the P2P lending platforms, being Mintos, Peerberry, Reinvest, iuvo, and Bondora. Then I have a quarter of the portfolio in US stocks, another quarter being cash, or this is market opportunity fund, how I can call it. Then I have Bitcoin 7%, Ethereum 6%, and gold 4%. If you compare this pizza to the last month's pizza, you will see that I have closed 3 positions. And the reason is the same for all of them. I have closed the silver, then the European stocks and the Vanguard All World Index. Because I thought the prices are so heavy up right now that I wanted to cash out some of the profits and wait until the prices drop to buy the positions back. So basically this is short selling. If I compare my P2P positions, you can see that the return is ranging from 125% on Mintos, I will come to the reasons to that, to iuvo, which is 5%. Let's start with Mintos. I'm quite happy to tell you that most of the money that I have been waiting from Monego are being paid back. It's been more than a year and I even have written down this position, but now I received 60% of it back into my portfolio, so this is basically money that I didn't expect anymore. So this is why I have this huge return on Mintos. In the next month I have another positions which are getting more than 1 year old and being funds in recovery, and I'm gonna write them down as well. On Bondora I have almost 20% return on investment using just the Portfolio Pro. I just made a small change in my strategy and I included the loans also, which are 60 months, so 5-year loans. On this way my cash drag is significantly lower. So I have almost 70% of my funds being invested, and this also improved my return. On Peerberry my return on investment was 12%. I'm quite satisfied with this one, it looks fine. I had almost no cash drag in this platform. So I'm gonna stay on Peerberry and let's see how it continues. My return on investment on Reinvest24 was exactly 10%, which is also fine. But like I said last month, I'm not happy with this new withdrawal fee of €2. Then on iuvo, just 5% return on investment, the weakest one, but also the smallest position into my portfolio. Then I have to my US stock position, which is almost break even compared to January. And the reason for this is that I have a position in NEO, which was open for trading, which is quite down right now. But I'm not gonna sell and not gonna close this position, and let's see what is going to happen. On the other hand, I shorted Tesla in January, and now Tesla dropped back to below $650. And I was able to buy back my Tesla shares, and this was a very successful move. I also bought some Citibank shares and Exxon Mobil shares in this month, which are already up. Now to my crypto positions. If you have seen my last video, I explained why I moved to Binance from Revolut. But actually there are more reasons for that. On Binance I have plenty of options to earn some passive income with my crypto coins. There is also option for P2P lending and also plenty of other options on Binance. I'm gonna make a video on this as soon as I research it deeper and as soon as I have enough track record for this. Finally, we come to my gold position, which is held on Revolut and is almost 5% up. This is my worst position for the last month. But actually, I'm observing this as an opportunity and I plan to buy some gold as soon as the prices drop further. And actually this is the logic of the portfolio and rebalancing. On this way you are purchasing an asset as soon as its price drops and it gets less expensive, and you are selling it as soon as its price is heavily up. And finally, I was shocked by the news from Revolut because starting from March we'll be able to make just one free trade per month. Also, the custody fee is going to rise to 0.12% from your holdings. So this is why I'm gonna move not only my crypto positions but also my stock positions from Revolut to Trading 212, starting from one position each month until the positions are zero. Now I want you to make me a quick favor and press the like button, as it really helps supporting my YouTube channel. Subscribe if you haven't done it already, and see you again with my next video.